division and greed. Yet we envision a future where every soul can lead. A community of voices strong and free, redefining power in a shared destiny. Rise together, hearts united in the dance, balancing freedom and care, giving every dream a chance. Innovation and justice in a beat so true, crafting a fair new world for me and you. From Rojava's vibrant spirit and self-ruled art, we learned that unity and hope begin within the heart. Eco-innovation lights our path to greener days, where community and nature intertwine in wondrous ways. Obstacles